To make new arms for this settee bench, and I have to say I love the way these came out. Each spindle or chair spindle had a hole in it, which I'll share how to cover that up easy peasy in a little bit, so stay tuned. And it was slightly too long for the bench to fit in properly, so we started by picking the chair spindle that had a nice shape and that we like the looks of. Then I measured each side with a measuring tape, and it was 11¼ inches long. I cut the chair spindle to size using my miter saw, and then we installed the arm by using a large screw through the hole on the body of the bench and then through the actual armchair. Now, I will say that if I was doing this bench for sale, I wouldn't have done it this way. This is really a quick and dirty way of attaching these arms to the bench settee. However, just because it's going to be for my sister and she wasn't overly particular, this worked out perfect.